Sooner or later, though, you always have to wake up. Yeah, Tommy was the scientist. Me, I'm just another dumb grunt going someplace he's gotta regret. Up ahead was Pandora. We grew up hearing about it, but I never thought I'd end up going there. Let's nobody be dead today. Looks really bad on my report. There's no such thing as an ex-Marine. You may be out, but you never lose the attitude. Everything out there wants to kill you and eat your eyes for jujubes. It is my job to keep you alive. I will not succeed. You got to obey the rules. Pandora rules. Don't play with that. You'll go blind. You don't thank. You don't thank for this. This is sad only. You're like a baby, making noise, don't know what to do. You have a strong heart, no fear, but stupid. My cup is empty. Trust me. Just ask Dr. Augustine. I'm no scientist. It is decided. My daughter will teach you our ways. Learn well. Jake Sully, and we will see if your insanity can be cured. Find me a carrot that will get them to move, or it will be all stick.